Later in this video, I'm eating the most sour fruit on the planet, but first...
Oh.
You know what that is?
Durian!
Yeah, but what?
Ooh!
Kradumtang.
Kradumtang, the golden button!
Golden button durian.
Oh my god, those little hands already grabbing it.
No, I'll take this one. That looks like a good one.
I'll take this one.
Yeah. We've made 3 videos with this already. And every video I've eaten a pot, so I'm a little bit afraid that you're not gonna get anything.
Oh my god, oh no, we have to stop filming in that case. How is it?
It's great. I like to eat my papaya like this lately. Not sure why. I enjoy it. And Tina eats it like this. She scoops it out and puts some lime juice in, right?
Or passion fruit.
Or passion fruit. And remember, this is just like a pre-workout, pre-running snack, basically. It's not really a full meal.
A rehydration.
A rehydration, and then after the run we have even more hydration with a watermelon. In the 30-day raw food challenge we really teach people to hydrate in the morning. It's so important because during the night you're breathing all the time, right? When you're breathing you're losing water, right? Also your body detoxes, so it uses a lot of water to detox. That's why in the morning when you go peeing you always have like a lot of pee, right? So in the morning it's really vital to rehydrate. And if you want to learn more about the raw food diet and all these tips, we have been doing the raw food diet for super long, right? Tina 9 years and me 7 years.
7.5 years.
7.5 now, yeah. So if you want to learn all these tips, head to the link in the description right under this video. Click the link, go to the website and join the 30-day raw food challenge.
Okay, just to show you what Chippy's view is, look at that. This is his view out the window, right? Quite a nice working space, I would say, with a view like that. And he can see me running there, right? So these poles go running and this is where I run. Awesome. Can you explain what you're doing here?
I'm working here.
What you're working on?
A surprise.
A big surprise.
A big
This
surprise.
is our biggest project yet.
Yes.
But we can't reveal quite what it is right now because
we can't reveal anything yet, but it's gonna take a few more months, I think.
Yeah, so be patient. But
so that's the scale of the project.
So the exciting part is this is unlike any of our previous projects, right? It's not anything about raw foods, it's not anything about retreats, but it's far more exciting. And the best part is this project is gonna help even more people than the 30-day raw food challenge.
Yeah, definitely.
It's gonna help way more people than we could ever invite to our retreats, right?
Yeah.
This project is actually gonna revolutionize people's lives. I truly believe it, which is why we're so excited.
Yeah.
And it's not easy for us to make this project. Our kids are right now downstairs with a nanny so that you could, you know, do it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a lot of work, but it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be really nice for people.
Oh my god, when it comes into fruition, it's gonna be the bomb.
Yes.
Yeah, it's completely gonna...
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned, okay? But stay tuned for another 3 months, guys, okay?
Are you guys seeing these? This is Bilimby. Super sour fruit. We really love them. But normally we wait until they fall to the floor, right? And then they turn a little bit yellowish and soft. But you can already eat them like this. Extremely sour. Like, think of those warhead candies, right? The most sour candies in the world. It's like that level of sour. Crazy.
So I know what I'm doing, so I'm actually gonna harvest these for later and let them ripen at our house. Much better idea. And then they're kind of sweet, but still sour, but I love sour. Bum. I will.
سلوتك بخطر عاته مرحبا سلاما رفيقه سلام مرحبا سلاما رفيقه سلام عصاي 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 ما قد